All right, y'all. So I don't know if this is gonna go into a new video or just gonna be a separate video. Another from yesterday. I'm tired. I need to eat. Tired. Whatever. Gotta get the car done. We went and bought got bolts here, and then we got the header gaskets. I was gonna do the axle backs, but nobody. Well, somebody local had it, but I wanted to make that drive. I mean, it's not even a far drive, but we got to get this car done so my boy can get home and his woman won't kill him. So, like, because earlier she was mad, so we got to get him home. Got to get him home. Got to get him home. Got too much stuff in my hand. All right. Where the spark plugs at? I'm making sure they weren't in this bag. Oh, no, they're not in this bag. And here, grab this, Teddy. All right, y'all. So the car's done. Well, we got to go back to Summit and get the right O2 extension. They gave us the wrong one. It looked like a 6-gen maybe. I don't know. I didn't pay attention to when we did my headers on the truck. I say 6-gen, but the LT stuff. But it's done. The headers are on both sides. Dipstick is stupid, but we gotta figure that out later. We just got to get him back to Brownsville. I'm going to have him started up here in a second. But it's done. And then basically what we end up doing is we put it back to the stock mufflers for now. To the stock mufflers. So it's probably not going to be loud. Oh, Teddy, get your SLPs. But, yeah. Yeah, you got to do that later, bro. You might want to try to, you're going to have to drive with that thing in the center. The splitter. Yeah, well, no, you can't, you only can let down the center section. But let us load this stuff up and we'll get back with y'all with a startup video. All right, so we're about to upload the new tune to it.
It's supposed to be like 1 or 2 days turned into 4. Yeah. She's like, yeah. All
right, and it's about to write to it.
Every time I work on this fucking car, man, it like fucking.
There we go.
Something happens, it'll take longer than what I expected. Brakes on it. Like I was fucking taking these off because the fucking clip was coming up. Yeah. So I lifted up the hood, taking some clips and shit. I don't know what I did, but I squeezed the clips and I just toggled it up a little bit.
Alright. Well, we're uploading the tune, so we're gonna run to Summit. Go get the right wideband O2 extension, and then we can start the car up and drive it. Get a login, send it to Pat. Pat might be able to send it right back to us. I'm not 1,000% sure, but we're gonna give it a try. I'm gonna text him and see what he can do. Just tell him, hey, we're about to, you know, drive to the south side of town, and maybe he can send it before we leave out and go from there. But let us go run the Summit and we'll get back with y'all. So we got everything done. Everything's plugged back up on the car. We just got the extension on there, the O2 extension. So everything's done. Underneath the car, X pipe, the 2 pipes in between the X pipe and the axle backs, everything's bolted up. He already had his car intake, like I said earlier. So most of that stuff has already been done by him. But we put new plugs in there, some coder plugs. We did the headers. He already had this coder intake. He's waiting on RotoFab to get ready to start making some more because that was a problem. Then yeah, just keep it there because I can put my splitter in there. But like I said, we're about to actually start this thing up. Here, come here, Teddy. It's probably gonna make more weird noises than you heard before. Because since that stainless steel is so thin, you're gonna hear the valve train. So you're gonna hear chatter. Like, you just don't wanna hear like, tick, 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 tick. You don't wanna hear that sound. That means one of your lifters are probably going out. So all that smoking, it's just all the oils and stuff that's on the headers. Those the header gaskets seal into the header and the engine. So that's why I said it's gonna smoke a lot. So like when we do the cam swap, it's gonna do the same thing again. What else was gonna happen that's different? And you remember I told you about the transmission, how it's gonna be making different sounds. How about this? You hold that right there.
Yeah.
What does it sound like? It's these stock mufflers. It's the stock mufflers that sound like
Well, it
that.
sound better than it did before.
Now, go. I want to hear it. Maybe I should have done that.
Oh yeah.
This smile on this boy's face. Alright, you better watch it now. You make more power. There ain't a bunch, but you make more power. And you just on the baseline tune. But yeah, that's what that is. Do you feel it in the steering wheel by any chance? Okay. Is that your suspension? Cause we rode in the gotta go to the gate. Well, let me pause this. Go.
Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right, you got it. Go. Stop.
Hit it. Don't touch it. It's just by itself. Leave it alone. You only use that to downshift now. Now, look, drive normal. Get on the gas a little bit. Now you will use that. Because remember I told you, it won't shift in partial throttle. It only shifts by itself in full throttle. I'll tell you what. At this light, just launch it and just see how it feels. If you feel like it's gonna break loose, then get out of it. But it's gonna be a safe. Both hands, fool. Cause it's gonna, bro. You're not used to this, and it's gonna spin, bro. So, what you think? Yeah, I don't even need to tell. Just turn that in and do a loop around. All right, y'all. So, like, share, subscribe. We're going back. I gotta take this bar off the off his exhaust. It's like the, I don't know. It's like where the mid muffler would be. It's a little brace that sit right there. I gotta take that off. No, oh, you gonna make it? I'm so used to driving the truck. But like I said, like, share, subscribe. I gotta take that bar off. Comment. There you go. So that's to be the only time that you would do it. And I can't even do my outro because you over here doing stuff. All right, like, share, subscribe. I'll talk to y'all later. Comment. Tell everybody. Bye. All right, so I guess I'll just give y'all a little bonus. He's about to race me, but it's gonna be a hard race because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record this because like how he has automatic upshift, like the little button, this little button is so laggy that you can't do automatic upshift. So I'm gonna have to put it in gear and manual and then I'm gonna have to hit it and then put it back in drive, and then we'll see if I can record it or not. Cause usually I could drive with one hand and do it and then pop it. I can see if I could pop it back up, but we'll see. All right, let me do this. 1, 2, 3. Boy, my boy got that second gear truck, boy.
Oh, spinning like a motherfucker.
Yeah, I know. Hey, but when you get on those 20s, it's not gonna do the same thing. Those wheels are heavier. Go ahead, go home. I'll let you. All right, y'all, bye.